Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows was unable to complete the format fixed. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space disk. Type select space, disk USB disk number. Type list space volume. Type select space, volume 6. Type clean. Type select space, volume 6. Type create space, partition space, primary. Type list space, partition. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.